2, 1, and I'm live. Welcome back. Alweer here at atedoga. Open workshops. Keep building that website. Living Canvas daily. Have a website? Make your own. Living Canvas. Your rules. This is it. This time there are just a few show notes, but 2-3 things that I was doing last time I didn't complete in full because it's like a lot of content on one page and different types of content elements, HTML elements, images, text, and well, anyway, for everybody who's just here first time, you can grab the show notes. I compiled them during video. They are available in the full at the end, and you can jump to the end of the recording. I do all this live, and at the end of the video you can see in full what's been going on through the episode, to the stream session, and then see if you jump back, find the section. I don't have timestamps, markers in the video at this moment, but working on that, learning on the fly, trial by fire. That's why I make this content for my own reference and to actually, for my own reference for better, simpler refreshers, moments when I need to go into these procedures again and again. So in this series of episodes, these I don't know, about 8-9 episodes so far, I had a lash on my tongue, eyelash. So I was actually going through my website, almost renewing it, as I switched from old WordPress themes to a new type, full site edit block themes. And I actually covered going into that, how to use it, how to work that, how to adapt that workflow. For the core WordPress it stayed the same, but there are a few things that are added, like templates and in the themes and the stars in the theme. I'll just have a quick look about take a quick look around the platforms to make sure everything is playing properly, and grab a few things like a dashboard, activity and chat. Sorry if I'm being kind of too noisy for anybody on headphones. I made my audio work well. For the, let's say, speakers, TV speakers, desktop speakers, stereo. And the last one is dashboard is the YouTube one. This is multi-streamed. I multi-streamed this using Restream.io, and that just reminds me actually that I have a referral link for the Restream.io that I didn't list in the last time in the donations page, referral links section. services I use, and I'm quite satisfied with so far. And here in YouTube I need to change where it's not United States English, is the English, it's the world's English, let's say, yeah. And category is, where's the category? Content category. It's not, and well, I call this edutainment, but I put the category people and blogs because this is like a development journey for anybody who's curious, and for my own sake, so I can track my progress, because I want to do stuff online. I like doing stuff online, WEB&Tech Smart stuff, even make monies online. That's why I make website. I don't compete in the, let's say, quality of my videos and that type of content. I try to meet some, at least contemporary standards, basic standards, but I don't compete, not claiming I'm the best. But here it is for all you to see. I'll jump to Workbench desktop. Website that I'm doing so far is far from completion. Far, but like I always say, it's a living canvas. That's why I use it. If I want to have a online available to public, present my work, I just use my website. My content doesn't get lost in the infinite status update feeds on Instagram, Twitter. I can always have my website for reference, where my stuff is. I'm not, I don't need to figure out each couple of years when the company like YouTube Meta changes up around things and invents some other stuff, how to arrange my files, my content on those platforms. So I just, and also discoverability over there is just, and the viewership over there is, I don't see any quality in the over there. Well, it's good if there is a purpose, like when there is a purpose. For me, it never got the attention that would even motivate me to work more over there. Okay, mic mute. That's real nice. I'm working like this live to rehearse live and adapt the workflow, doing things, showing them live. But main reason is to get the content on the web in one stroke, so I don't need to edit, cut, upload, wait for that. I stream it, it's uploaded on 5 platforms, and then I can do with it whatever I want. Put on website references to the links to the video platforms, maybe export from there, and so on. Last time I was working on the web page, the ways to support donate for my channel Malware Eddie, and I was changing in the URL. I have a URLs set up for the content to show author and the post title, and in the end append the category, but I'll remove the categories. I'll just keep the author and the post article title. That is important because having the author in URL, I can track individual earnings for the whoever is publishing here. That's why I keep in the articles blog home page just the excerpts of posts, so whoever wants to read the full article for each author, it will better way to track and monetize for each author. I don't need that way to approximate a percentage. It's just okay, you got the page view on your URL, that's your earning in full. And it can be separated over also on categories, because that's the way the URLs work. Meaning that the URLs actually carry a semantic lexical meaning, value, sense, semantics. In terms of internet, it's the good search engine optimization practice. And I need to remove this category from the URL, and then I'll need to because the categories are anyway shown on their own, because URLs will also appear. Now some things some old links will break because I done it, and for that reason I just delete cache and minified all these. I forgot to mention here, in the monoline down below, I need to actually put a reference to the music we're listening. I got a question about that, so this is my original old tracks. I use it just to actually fill the quiet parts when I'm not talking, so there is some consistency in the content. I don't want to waste time building a following on on my channels competing. Here's my content, I do this, it's try to make it worth watching, like a unique stuff, my own takes on stuff, on topics. I touch up on trends, but I don't feel pressure. Some things I just watch from a side and then step in as a curious bystander if I notice something interesting in some new trends or whatever that have a merit potential. What I need to put on here is that's the complete list. That's cool. And at the end, maybe listening. Okay. Skinner's Room is the playlist name for this compilation, audio tracks playing in background. Is something that in the lower scrolling line is the Skinner's Room is playing in background of a playlist. Okay, playlist available. Playlist available on Odyssey and YT or well, okay, YouTube, okay. There you go. Now I know. I need to export more of these tracks because this won't last forever. We'll all get fed up with these tracks. That's I try to keep them quiet as possible, so it takes longer to get bored with them. I'm annoyed. I need to edit this post. Show notes here for this episode. Still the same. More various tasks on @-edoga.net website. Having some bus. So I always I need to remind you, well, this content is available for free. Bolt Plus TV, Odyssey, Kick, Twitch and YouTube on these channels, except for Kick, which the channel name is atedoga. Well, whoever is there knows he's already there. He, she, it is already there. And just, well, this channel needs support to grow. Share, like, subscriptions are free. And to find the way how to contribute, donate, you grab the link to the website on the profile of the channel, or just use the QR code. And on that, while on that topic, I use the mute to toggle mute mic. Sometimes I forget. Maybe you can bring it to my attention if it seems that I'm quiet. I tend to actually talk continuously. Well, not without breaks or taking breath, but rarely I'm completely mute. Only my lighting here, I don't like. I can't work with the light in the face because I actually work. This is not like entertainment content where I when I'm constantly engaged with the audience. I'll reply to your requests, questions, whatever, but I try to keep a focus on the task at hand. What I want to do here is to swap around these two sections. This is a group, and it can go one. What did I just do? What is this? Oh, this is the row, that row. Okay. This is all title and all that is in this group. So this group, this should sit. How did this come all the way down? Paragraph, merge and demand row. What's in this row? It's this paragraph separator. What's in these groups? So it's oh, this needs to go outside, like over here, like that, and it can go below. Grouping elements like this is very useful, and it doesn't, I don't know, ruin anything on the doesn't break any standards. Maybe if I notice that it's giving me low score SEO, search engine optimization score, I might change it around. But for now, it's very practical to work with content until I settle on until I'm satisfied with layouts. I keep my WordPress website light with less less as possible of the plugins, free of plugins, just basic vanilla. I don't do any automated tasks except just getting myself notified, the admin of the website, if there are some comments or the contact page inquiries. that mailing service implemented in the WordPress works well. Each page, each article post on WordPress has a contact form, comments form, and I use it for general communication. I review all user content, like those text comments, go over through manual moderation, and publish them if they're not breaking any terms and rules. So I can publish this, do this update, and put one more thing. It is the referral link for, I have a draft for this page. I need to check here on the post for this page. I've changed the category. Yes, it doesn't show the category anymore, even if I did create a category for it. But now, let's say, I also created for myself as an author category, just so I can navigate to this website structure and content. Maybe an author can post in some specialized category, specific category, or maybe just make a update announcement for its content, and then it needs some structure for those types of posts that are not very specified in the nature, not very specific in nature. And in case I'm using the author name as a category, previously it would show it in the URL, but anyway it shows in the URL author itself, so it would print it twice in the URL, and that's just not good, so I removed it. And that might break few things, but the site is still young and growing, so there won't be much manual work to fix those few breaks in navigation that will occur. Yesterday and in the show notes I've mentioned how to present a catalog of, let's say, videos, and from which platform. That's a good topic. I'm online like 20 years so far, and I use that observation, or that experience, the observation of the internet trends, to determine my path around and strategy for my online presence. And from that experience, I don't rely too much on the mobile, like a mobile app type of content for those formats, because I see those mobile apps like a closed systems. I want to be, with stuff I publish, I want to be in the open. There's just no discoverability with search engine inside the app. So what am I doing? Why am I doing that? Heads down to big personalities, big channels on the specific platforms. But that's a real job. Keeping keeping a spotlight and big investment, keeping a spotlight constantly on yourself, inventing original stuff, following trends. I want freedom, creative freedom. If I want to invent something on my own, here on the website I can have and it's easier to migrate my own website because it's relying on the in a form of like as a easier to migrate structure. If I would use, I don't know, some other migration tool from any other platform, set up a shop, pack up and set up shop somewhere else, it would be a little bit more trickier. I've done this update and I might need to update few links here and there, but I don't want to waste time on that. So if I reload this page, this link should be updated. No, it's still the old link. Yes, this is still the old link because it's the custom link over there in the navigation, and I actually broke the automated link publishing here. I'll try, and well, now I can see this good moment to check how it works in case when I need to update something like this. Link. Okay, edit link. And this link, I can just remove this in effect. Delete, select all, enable mouse click highlights, and I copy this, but I will delete it and I will try to get it as a suggestion by the WordPress core ways to support or donate, because this way I get the link from WordPress internals and now I have a reference to the actual. I'm trying to keep the actual reference to the database for the internal relations resources for the content in the domain. Yeah, now it works. Now it will work. Nice. I was looking yesterday to work this around, to work this out as a more elaborate, but I don't have time to completely create a structure like a more ways to donate, like referrals, cash tips, crypto, follow my channels. It's not all about money. Following content, sharing, that's also a big deal. But I need to publish this maybe a bit polished version, just at least order sorted version like this now, so I can go work further. Because the drafted list of all the resources, referrals and the profiling, so on, referrals to here and there, is just a big list, and it starts a poor user experience. This way only the one column content single column content layout is available, and it just suggests on its own. Scroll down, go through it, and the size of the scroller on the side is kind of a revealing that it's not too big page, so that reassures anybody on the page, like oh, you can do it, you can reach the button, no problem, keep scrolling. So that's about that thing. I'm thinking, should I put some note in the notes list for this episode so far? 40 minutes in the video about to hit. What do I do next? So I've done this. Okay, maybe work out one. So here's the deal. Here is the deal. Malivir Eddie. That's the channel you're on, except for Kick, where it is the edoga. No problems. And but this content type is this open workshops. And so I want to figure out the workflow and the user journey, user experience. I want to find optimal way how to structure that concept, because on Malivir Edit page I don't have at the moment. They are separate pages itself, one and the other. And I here have a draft of the show notes so far. And I need to sort this out, how to catalog this type of content. Especially since I don't edit these stream sessions into a shorter form. There's a challenge. So maybe it would be practical to match, let's say, each topic to a specific segment in the video timeline for overall video length of each video. And I don't know how to do that, and I'm not looking to do that now. That's one point. Second one is to I don't need exactly to match from this, since this is like this page open workshops should reference these videos, these type of videos. So I might just consider grouping them, like in a group them and give them a parent context, topic heading. For example, now it's constantly episodes working with WordPress. but it started, the streak, this run started with the doing some hardware installation and installing Linux in the same video. The whole process, all the dirt and good stuff during that process. And after that I've done the like a 2-3 hour overview what's on the desktop Linux as it got updated. My computer got updated. I ran the Linux Ubuntu Studio update from 2004 to 2020-04, and it's actually a great update. And it was also first time for me, and who anybody's curious about Linux desktop could see what they bring on our desktops in that Ubuntu Studio Linux distribution. And then I've just played outside of that. There was one episode running unattended, without host attendance, just music with the audio visualizer. And then started working more on WordPress, because I've got content. Okay. Since I don't do the exactly like a tutorials, but still you can always see how stuff is done. That's the idea. And these show notes can help me draft a script for each of those topics for my reference, and how to elaborate any aspect of interest inside of that compartment. Where should I be to be more centered in the frame, in the picture, like here? What did I write in the show notes? Anyway, I don't have these. I have these, all these past episodes show notes drafted, but not. I didn't do the page break on them. Let's say that they're just sitting here. So how would I work this out to be accessible straight from the main page of the site? Because there is no reference over here, just some posts, cross-posting from the localized creation version website, then a clip, and it's just 3 posts eating up the whole screen. That's not good. And then some weird links in navigation. So I need that open workshops reference somewhere on the first level, not hiding here. But it's good it's here, because it's my because it's my content it's like a subsection of my channel. and I want to keep the navigation not too busy, optimized. And this is a home page, and it's not efficient. Like okay. Let's say then here's the making home website homepage. I'm writing a note. More it's efficient. Did I spell this properly? Yep. Nice. I was in a previous episode working on thinking about the home page, what it should show, and I went that took me on, as I wanted to see how to implement it, figure it out. That took me into the topic of the templates in the theme itself. Templates like for layout, specialized templates, page templates that organize, structure the content. And it took some time. I spent some time over there figuring out how those concepts are implemented in the modern block themes, and I figured those things out, and now I can revisit that, what I've learned, and now try to implement those ideas into creating my custom template for homepage and keeping the original theme template for blog home for the reference, fallback, safety, backup. And then just along the way, a few days ago, I found the WordPress plugin published by WordPress called Create Blog Theme. It allows a simple interface to clone existing theme in WordPress. Create a clone from active existing one. So it cuts down the time required to do that manually in the code. And now currently active theme is a clone version of 2023. If I go in themes, but I'm also here in the editor themes section actually. Since I'm already settled on a theme, I don't need to select here, I can just go into the editor, but it's already open here. I just go one step back. and it's showing right away. This is still navigation, okay, but it's showing a preview of the blog homepage, and I've customized the blog homepage, but just slightly, just the appearance part, not the logic, the programmable bits of it. And I've figured out that I would like to work on this like this, on these blocks where the individual post excerpt is showing with links and the head featured images. I've grouped that all in the single group. Maybe I want to try this actually. This is what I want to try. Pull out the featured image so it's full width, and then everything else looks like a portlet. And maybe rounding post portlet. What are the available customizations here? Featured image, position, advanced. Can I have here roundedness, radius 8? How would this work with 8 pixels radius? See it, I see it. I want to create like a modern, now trending rounded content containers with rounded corners. But I would like for the image to sit like sharp, uncut, but having the rest rounded. So I need this group in a group, because I want also this padding. I want this padding, otherwise the text will sit right next on the borders. I want that. So what I can do is from these remove this and remove the color. Remove the color. And how do I then well, I can at least I should apply some trickery to onto this to have the image sharp with no roundedness on the corners, while the text lower portion to keep the roundedness. But I'll leave the inner group block, keeping the padding and roundedness, but outer block having rounded corners, and that will also apply rounded over the image, because the image is internal to this block. When the image sits outside, it's just the upper. Is there a way to specify corners for the specific? Okay, I can unlock this. Cool. Well, I'll go this way then. Bottom left, bottom right, top, no. No, no, cool. So no roundedness on top, sharp top, rounded bottoms. Isn't that perfect? What are these? Titles, titles, page title, post titles, H2s, they are H2s. But they're just way too big. I don't like how large they are. They're so large, excerpt. Read more. Well, read more. Text, where is the properties of this? Oh, here it is. Here are the properties. Excerpt, align text. What did I have? So I just type the text here. Okay, huh? Read more. What did you do to me now? What did you do? Read more. And I hit save. And enjoy the new version. Delete everything. The cache. Hit F5. So now only thing is that there are posts that don't have the featured images. And their titles don't have. Can I apply one more trick on this? One more trickery? No, because the inner block is... Oh, maybe. Maybe I could get this block group. Is this the group? So this is the group. Maybe I can try. Add top radius. Here, 8. But no, it will not show. It will be the same color. It will just not be visible because of that. I can't do that trick. Well, the least I can do is just the full group. What's this group? That's the full. That's this group. I will just put everywhere. I will link this up. Put an 8 here. No. 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 Shift up, go back, no. No. Enter link. So I'll remove the radius, but I'll apply the main radius. And on the inner block, I'll remove the attempt of radius. Yeah, cool. Link it up. There I go. So if I save it and try to refresh load, well, now obviously the titles need a bit more padding over here. I'll leave it like it is for now. So maybe I make a note. Make a note for these two things. Well, yeah. I might just make a note like a customizing home page, blog home appearance. Customizing blog home template posts appearance and add like a corners radius padding, yeah, that's the double D's. Corners. Wow. So many typos. Neat. Wait, hey, so the images don't have rounded corners. How come? Wait. Okay, images don't get around. Oh, cool. Well, not bad. Good idea. But they appear like a different. They keep different appearance from the. Is that because? Why is that? Why is that featured? This is the group with rounded corners. Okay, and why are not images inheriting that? I will leave it for the future reference, just so I know it's not the same thing for now. Okay, so what do I want to say here? For like, so this page, which is the home page, I want to show, have a content for the returning visitors, like what's the latest. And for that, I've thought through like having these column 2-3 columns structure presentation of content, latest stuff. I will have for a reference sitemap. Sitemap. That's what I'll do. Because in sitemap I can see the structures that are live and applied, and how many posts sit in each category, and what pages I have. So what I want to do with pages structure. The navigation. I don't want to have too much in the navigation, too many sub-levels, maybe just 2. First level and the sub menu, like now. But this can miss the users can miss a point on the desktop. Okay, I can see there is a link and there is a sub-menu link. But on mobile, this looks a bit different. Maybe I check a reference in the pole position, which is like a about page. But I don't want, sometimes it's good to have the main page for the first time visitors, like about page, long about page, or even have a complete site in a single page, whole website. It depends. Okay, here's the 1 hour. I'm a 1 hour in the show. I'll just stretch my legs for a moment. I'll be right back. Well, guess what? I'm back. So Ed is back. Ed is back. And switching back to bench worko. Bench of worko. Okay, got still this be right back running, but no. Okay, so how to how would I create a structure for the landing page, home page? And then even for the first time visitors who can get the sense what's going on the site without going to the about, which is a pole position, or and also provide enough visual clues from this page. What's it all about? Where to go next? Because this, like this, not that doesn't make sense, but here's a trick. In the templates there is this blog home template, and in fact it's applied itself on the home page, like the content that shows when the URL is browser is sent, requested to fetch the domain, content on the domain, what's the top level first stuff. And there's a method that tells the core WordPress, okay, I've got the blog home, so it means show this, but I want to show separate. Yes, I need to detach that from the, I actually need to detach that. I need to create a specialized page, so I'm working on that. Yeah, because by default WordPress always on home pages as default on installation shows the posts feed. It's like a blogging app, but this is not anymore just blogging up, because if I try to use it like that, it just not visually giving off enough clues. And for that purpose I have already started drafting the landing page. obviously I need a I'll have a look at this. I was doing a preview. Again, what's in here? Okay, so this is just the widgets. I was previewing a layout with just widgets with blank page. No header, no. I've implemented a custom footer here on the bottom. But this is a basic scaffold blueprint for that landing page. Is there anything else in the YouTube dashboard? Okay, so I can create a highlight video. Stream marker, there's right here. Cool, share. Those are the tools. Pop-out dashboard, send feedback. Cool, okay, so that's good to know. That's I need to consider that using that in the workflow. I'm noticing something in the preview. What's this? How come that came on the image? Oh, it's on YouTube has the okay. So YouTube has my watermark, channel watermark, over the video and right over the QR code on this. On the QR code in this scene, the YouTube watermark shows over there. I just noticed that. Keep it going. Okay, and this what about test in theme designer? And is there anything in the start page? Okay, this is blank. And start position I've played with this stick on top clone, menu clone. This I like to have this. I want to, if I try to apply this functionality, sticking on top, it just doesn't work. On the first menu, navigation menu, just doesn't work. I did put that property on this segment, but it didn't work. It scrolls out. But the second level element that has it, it will work on it. I want to use that like this. So I have the start position. What testing page start position, but it's not start. It's the landing. It is the landing. There is one more thing I want to do, and that is, before I forget, in this post I want to set this image to have a link, to be a link reference to this website from where these posts are transferred. This is like cross posting, cross website posting. So I edit the post. I'll check what this is, the generic RSS from WordPress. That's cool, not bad. And for the image, I'll give it a link and tell it that it is https colon, what's it called? atedoga.biz.hr, which is the localized Croatian version of the website. I'm constantly working on this content video streaming because I want to have this done and always have this part recorded for reference. And then I'll do some more experimental multimedia. Next thing I want to do is put up a show like more active media sources in the stream and set up an audio mixing. More efficient, more like a DJ style fader, preview audio with more efficient workflow. It's possible to do it in the OBS on itself, in the advanced options for the audio mixer, cancelling out individual channels, audio channels, but it's not workflow efficient. Well, it is if I just keep that dashboard on over the preview, let's say, then I won't be seeing a video preview like that, but that's another topic. But that is another type of content I want to do. So is this a link now? Do I have a link? It's linked. Link. Come on, I'll insert the link. https atedoga.biz.hr, enter, edit. Yeah, that's cool, that's cool. And it is a always it's Croatian text for Croatian visitors on this site. Now the internet school lokaciju no Hrvatska. Okay, update. View post. Show me. Works. Yep. Like it. Like Allah. Like Allah. Well, I might just do that also on this, but since it's linked, I can just use that benefit now, and I can on the Croatian website do the same thing to link to the English website. And say https at dash edoga.net, but it's not at, it's at, and say open new tab, but do refer Adamite. Yep. Nice. Okay. Works, cool, got it, thank you. So that was one thing that was on the list, on the to-do list, like fixes, quick simple fixes, updates. I'll be right back, just need to jump. Something's taking my attention for a moment elsewhere. Okay. Got that detail covered. And so the most important thing is make this efficient. How to sort this? Here's the challenge. This site should work like on its own, but also provide insight about activities around the internet, but not making it the main thing, because this is just not not just simple Linktree website, but also I'll post stuff in detail. So the concept, cool. So the concept, the idea of open workshops, it's good. It should be on the top level. That's a good thing. And also it's a good thing to have my channels page for all platforms and my profile page also on the top level. But that will soon make the navigation very busy, and I want to avoid that. Can I make a note about that, like a like website more efficient, homepage more efficient. So, and I want to avoid completely generic terms, but those are the traps I constantly fall in, trying to reinvent the wheel, trying to be original. I should apply the standardized user experience visual cues and concepts on what's already existing. So I had this, I had this previewing the so okay, so what is this? This is patterns, okay. And in the preview, this is what I got. I made the 4 columns. And the idea is to have something like this on the home page, something like this. Is there a way I can get that tags, those tags? Okay, so on the even wider screen I would get the 5th content block showing up here, which is like sitting below over there, and this feature gallery. While on the mobile or very narrow portrait like screen, I would get this, and then tags like down at the bottom. Because I found this previously on the previous site version useful for myself to have also these bits for navigating a website and still having everything available in the navigation, but having a page, one page working like a main root of the website for navigation purpose, like a reader. Okay, now I know. I don't have a category open workshops, but I have a page open workshops. There's a page. And I'm mute the whole time. Nobody's complaining like, oh, okay. What I'm saying is like I want to have this utility functionality on the landing home page, not just showing where are those blog home, just simple, because this even that the navigation is over there, navigation is like the traditional way of doing business online, like, oh, what's about this, what, or call to action, like right in the top nav bar. Can I make a few notes on the page itself in the website? Like, which one was this? It was this one. And the reason I opened the pole position, because I kind of here in a way try to expose the intention of the website. That's the thing. How to written form of intent put into visual cues. Hypermedia I'm deprecating, I'm retiring, I'll be retiring that, but it's very useful term. How far will I go with it? I don't know. So how to make the efficient homepage? Not to be annoying to returning visitors like myself. Yeah, I want to make so I want to make to be able to find my way around. That's the thing, because I have a maybe that approach. That's the good approach. That's a good idea. I want to be able to get to post so now homepage, these are the posts, these are the posts, these are posts marked as a pinned posts. They are pinned. And they are written earlier than some of these posts. So I would like to respect the time of publishment, to have so the flow of posts timeline work like a newest first. And I've made my first row really busy, showing only the sticky ones, the pinned posts. But there are a few posts that are very, very, very useful, like this one. Maybe some words of wisdom from here. Then this very practical, and then this. And maybe this. And there are quite a lot after that, quite a lot of galleries come in to the play. Here is me, a few months ago, intro quick. What did I also say here? Okay, link hub. And then next page of these. Then it goes a streak of galleries, photo galleries. And then here in timeline, here are these showing off, and that. So this is okay. Oh, look at this mess. So here I need quite a few visual I need to make this look more useful. Now, I had to stop and read through to get the idea what's going on here. I know in general what's the content of the page, but visually it's just not properly formatted to figure out, find my way through, especially because I'm kind of struggling with these narrow content columns, text blocks. This header image. Okay, so this is single post template, which is just not good. Can I find an example for? No, not at this moment. Not at this moment. It should also work in a single column. Just needs proper formatting. There is wide text, and there is centered heading, just everything, but it's a draft, it's a living canvas. So why is this important from the aspect of the first page, from the host home page? Because it's a useful article that are just not more useful than these. And they're just hard to get to. And if I look at this example, if I try to organize the homepage content this way, this should work better. I might try in this. What I might try in this is do something like this. This is block home that can go all the way here. Testing theme designer. This theme doesn't do anything. I have these things here ready. And here is what I can do. Close this start position and play with this. So these few articles are actually useful reading material, and their taxonomy, categories and tags, well, they're just sitting in the English now deprecated category. I won't be using it. I will use more specialized on topic category. That's one thing. This one also English. And bunch of tags. Oh, so this is how tools, like hotkey shortcut. Why use website? This is not the, again, English, and this again also sitting in the old like here. And if I try to align these like this, yeah, okay, they're somewhat aligned like this, and align like this, so I can have that section in line when I go through as I will try to organize. I can close this for now and use this to work out that section. This time template is blank and the title is not editable. It's locked. What is this? This is a page. Okay. Delete, just say test page. Cut this. No, I can't copy. Okay, I've cut it. That's cool. Paste. Paste like a gentle header like that, and like a note. Save draft. So if this would be, I need a better working layout, columns, rows layout. If I switch to mobile, I get this. So this is okay, so this is working well. Few things pointed out right away for the first, for me as a returning visitor. I'd like to have this. And latest. Do I want to have, okay, so latest and categories. Okay. I'll try write notes for myself. Like I'm writing for myself. Okay. Can I have this on top, please? Move to. Move to top. Can I move it here? Come on, you paragraph. Can you just follow my cue like that? So latest updates, announcements, featured promo. So do I want on the, do I want promo stuff taking the first over there? Feature from latest, maybe latest. Feature gallery and tag cloud. This content is in this row. These are all groups stacked, so I'll kind of work this around. Okay. Now here is a trap that I'm trying to avoid. For returning visitors, but also landing page will open for the first time visitors. So here is the, for example, this is landing homepage, site homepage. That's the definition. And cool, got that. And this page on desktop will be full width, kind of H1, and allow wide. There is a reason I would use full width, but that needs thinking and redoing stuff to work well. Centering, aligning content, because full width has no padding. That was the deal. Previewing this. I close this. Generating preview. This is like this, but full width, and also maybe for, let's say for example full width for this. It's good using full width, but doesn't have padding, so it touches completely, sits without a pixel in between with the edge of the window browser, left and right, but allows this tag cloud to pop up here. What's the deal with this? Can I move the gallery? What is this? This is this block. I can move it once. What's right after it is the tag cloud. Okay, so they are like line break, then first in line, next in line this one, and after it this. And if I jump for a second on my page, my channel page, and grab this text and take this into consideration, take this text into consideration like this. This is interesting to have as a statement, or even even like a like this. Hey, for the back. Hey, Rebecca. Thanks for stopping by. Afternoon. Hey, afternoon. 10 p.m. here. Come on, hurry up, catch up. Asia. Asia is already tomorrow. We are still today. They're front running us every day. Those folks on Far East keep slipping to tomorrow. We are here stuck today. How are you doing? How's your day? Well, actually, this what's written here on the page that I'm working on, it's a true statement. That is what I'm pondering about. And in the show notes also, I want to make my homepage efficient for I want to I want to check two boxes: first-time visitors and returning, especially the returning visitors, but provide for first-time visitors enough cue visually to find themselves around and feel like, okay, I know what I'm doing. I don't need those boring abouts and intros. I'll just use what I get. So that means that there is a definition, let's say, for experimental scaffold blueprint for the whole site. This is what the page loads, and I want to find my way around. So updates, announcements, feature promo. I just might fix these posts. What's up with these posts? Why are they showing here? What's in this widget? This widget is a latest post, and I've told them do this, do that. So this is updates. Okay, that's the update. So this one is the category promo. And why is all that in promo? Why should this post be in promo? Can I at least for a proof of work, real world use case, have that post somewhere else, like posts, all posts? So, and even it is a sticky post, like pushing to the front. It shouldn't be, well, maybe I keep stick it up. Is it an update? No, it's not an update. Okay, it's not an update, folks. That's not an update. How about now? So if I update it, and maybe refresh this, stay on page, save draft, hit the preview. And now I got the post without title. Ah, site rep. Okay, so site report, situation report. Okay, situation report for quarter 2023 updates announcement. So is that an announcement or an update? So the okay, let's report is announcement. Is it announcement? on the level of priority, maybe priority level, but they're actually different terms. Update, announcements, announce, and update, maybe announce, update. Latest feature promo. Latest feature promo, latest. Again, have the same I'm having the same idea here. So feature promo, I can move it somewhere away, so it doesn't show right away obviously that it's the same thing, bro. Hey dude, it's the same thing twice. So if I move this featured promo somewhere, like okay, there's a promo. Do I want to have the promo right at the beginning, like page is loaded? Sup bro, sup this site. I know. Feature promo, just go sit over there with the gallery. Go, yeah, like that, sit over there. Feature gallery, promo feature gallery. Okay, so that would be if I put gallery. This is the gallery of the feature promo from. Okay, let's say that is it. Why is this so? Where is this paragraph? Why so huge? Huge of a deal. Why so much separation? Where is this padding coming from? Where are the margins, paddings, margin fill? What? Wow, cool, better, fixed. Okay, save draft. Game preview, new tab. How about now? What am I doing now? Getting somewhere. But let me see the actual where is a civilization, modern civilization, be already what are the inventions already existing, so I don't need to reinvent this wheel. Look at this wheel that I invented, while there is even already one existing updated working well, which I can see take a peek into the existing stuff. What's this stack? This is this one. What's this row? Stack separator. Okay, so here I say something. Group. Give me a group. Thank you. I've got a group now, and in this group I add. Am I in the group? I've selected it and yeah, like that, and I want to add browse all. I want to use some pattern, something already sorted out, like a banners. Why would I use a banner? Let's see, maybe I want to use a banner. Hey, I don't know. Do I want? No, I don't want to use a banner. Not selling anything. 20 off. No, full price. Only full price. Couple banners, maybe banner each. Try that concept. Opening party. center, left aligned, then image. I don't have this image. I don't have this image. I've got another image. But etc. Forest is that effect current? Interesting. Interesting. Am I calling to action? Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Go, 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 go. Yeah, of course. Call to actions are kind of buttons. 3 column price table. Good pattern. It's a good pattern. I admit it's a good pattern. Event details. Schedule a visit. Come and see me. Featured. 3 column of text. Heading. They're all beautiful patterns, but okay, those footers, gallery, not gathering at the moment anything. Headers, I'm not into headers. Posts. Okay. Posts, I dig it. I dig posts, I dig it. What about the text? Now, I don't want just to make things look pretty. Explore more patterns. So now on even these previews are a portrait, which is good. not bad. But I'm quite sure that some of these would even again stack one more time in the on mobile. And so what I'm seeing is around 3 bit large texts. There are three of the headings, and here are again 3, and these are 4. I want to make my homepage real efficient, really efficient. And for the real efficiency, there are 2 things. 1, 2, no. 1, 2, 3. This is kind of neat, but again not neat and neat, and just 3. Just 3 of them. And this, can I see how this works in the what? What are you? Who are you? Show me. This is my group. I meant go into this group. That's what I meant previously. Go inside. So now you are in a group. Okay. How do you feel in this crowd? Why so narrow? Why so narrow? Why? Query loop. Can I help you with a little bit of a wide width? Doesn't help. Why? Because how about this? Oh yeah, I got it. So if I pull this out of this group, it will act like previously, because query loop, post template. Some of you guys are just too narrow. I don't like when it's very narrow. Block space, yeah, cool. Post template, styling, no styling for the query loop. And then these guys, this group of these, what do they say? Nothing. Yeah, I see it. Cool, yeah, got it. A group. Like this, like that. Content width. No. Okay, so I say go wide, and let me preview that. So this would be a like this, and on the tablet, what would happen on tablet with you? What's the point? What is the point? This is not mobile first design. Mobile. And then we stack. We stack then, and what? How is this useful on mobile? What were they thinking when designing this? So mobile F12, give me the responsive design. Let me see what they're doing. Okay, now kind of feels better, but big paddings, padding, so much padding. Maybe a very old Android 5, a refresh. If I refresh this and check this, my section is like this, and the lower section, here is the gallery, here is the feature promo, okay, categories, archive, and then wow, give me these tools. I want to see desktop. Who brought this insane padding over here? Where did it come from? Block spacing? No. You got no padding. Okay. Post template. Group. Content width. What happens then? Content width. $30 pixels of padding. Title, excerpt. Date. Title. Grupo. Padding. Maybe I link this up, padding options. Yeah, vertical and this, and how much? 16. Maybe 16. 16. Okay, is that okay? Maybe 12 of padding. 12. Cool. Let me have a look. Close this. And what's going on mobile? Mobile says looking better but feeling tight. Quite a bit of padding. So here's the margin. Okay, margin. That's the excerpt, and then the group. Post template. Page. Wait. Query loop. How about full width? Less padding. Interesting. Less padding. But sitting on the... Could use more of the page. Real estate. Excerpt. Group. Template, yeah, query loop, content width, maybe like this, maybe like that, huh? What if I set query loop back to max width? Oh, oh my, full width, and then back to desktop, and then this happened. What? Post template. What? Post template. What is this? Blog post template. How about full width? Let's go with that full width. Who said we can't go full? Maybe at least wide. At least wide. Huh? Break that. Okay. Tablet. And then this happened. So we are on a tablet. I'm really happy with my tablet. But these headings are super huge. I need to check and work with another type of size unit. These size units are weird. So is this title? Yeah, this is the title. These size units are just weird. Title large. This is large. Is this Excel? Is this large? Is there any? What's the change between desktop large and mobile large? Let me see it. So I'm on mobile, the pattern on mobile. That's like, wow, well, look, I'm a designer. I'm better than the original theme. This is, my eyes now are like having a ecstasy. Look, I can read, doesn't hurt. So, and they are the designers publishing a theme, styling, and I'm just a guy on the internet. And I made it work, and they just I can't figure this out. What are we doing here? Is this what I was looking for? These are not the droids I'm looking for. There might have been, but they're not. They're in effect, again, not the droids I'm looking for. Post template. This is full, but this group. How come? So this is full because the query loop is full. What if I change it to max wide? Will it change? No. How come? What structure is saying don't go full wide? Because I like this type of padding. Can I use it? Can I have it here? Stack group row wide. Okay, row group multiple lines that I need, that multiple lines I need. Group, single group. It is what's going on here now? What's going on? That's a paragraph in this stack and group. Wow. No. Save draft, but reload, please. What would I like to, what would be really helpful? What would really be helpful to get this homepage working? What's missing? It is the new preview. Refresh the preview. Okay, now slightly off, slight padding. Pardon. This is heading 5 and this is heading 3, heading 4. Heading 4, you're kidding me. Okay, so those are those. Group, I say you have a padding like 1 and like this, like let's say you have a padding and a background, just like pop. And let's say you guys have a padding and a, not the image but the color and the paddings, and you too, three of you, you guys, padding and this. Now save draft, preview. Okay, now it starts to work. Now it works. It's just the sizes are not equal, not the right equals. Is there okay, I got it, latest group. Can I have this duplicate? Let's say I have this duplicate, and here I say, let's say author, and I want here to have author. Tagline avatar. Author name, author. Display post out such as name your author where. No, not looking for that. So if I look, can I have a list of authors, like select your favorite creator, page shortcode, site, social tags, theme, site title, tagline, author, single author, not okay, then not author, no? Maybe then where is the categories? Categories just look uglies. No, I'll be right back. Well, it is obvious that these blocks of color work well. Blocks of color work well when looking in the preview. But actually, another thing is that I'm just not impressed with the representation of the color for the title is just blah. And that's this theme. That's how this theme works. And I don't like it. And another question is, do I change it? Do I change another style? Page, style. This is default. Look, header, this, that, saved. Style. Template, style. Styles. What am I looking at? I'm looking at the section with links. Are these links? This is like RSS. This is a bit better. Group, no way. You kidding? Now, is this already applied, or is it just... No, it's not applied. Okay, I'm just browsing. Categories list. Find out more. What? Headings? Are you F? What? What's the meaning of the headings that can't fit the row? Come on. Black, red, black, red. Blacks on red, red on black. Where are those buttons? How do buttons work? Look at these. Interesting fonts without serif. Interesting. Do I mind changing this download? Green is this is too. Is this green or yellow? Llama. Grapes download. There is a marigold with serifs, but I just can't work with serif fonts. I'm not that kind of guy. Not ready to commit, but I like the button. Buttons work well. But we are in 2024. We are working with rounded stuff. No more. And the calendar really works well. I like marigold. Even with the serifs almost. Whisper. Interesting buttons. How did they make these buttons? I wonder. But the sans serifs fonts kind of make it real cheap. Shaba. Shaba is for little girls. And the full page background gradient blend. Wow. But pilgrimage I'm using on the Croatian local version, and it actually is just the right middle. And I've selected it. I selected different themes default pitch and pilgrimage differently, just so I have a visual cue to distinguish both sides. But maybe I just hit this save, and what do I get? Save, and reload. Oh, what's going on here? What just happened? What did I do? Oh my. Really? I'm not gonna do. No. Give it. Let's stick with what. Not today. Today is not the day. Tomorrow. Or the day after tomorrow. From what I've seen this far. Okay, so. If I put this on my smaller screen, but also 1080p, so what's the deal what I'm seeing on this really big television LCD display? This is just huge because I'm too close. That's annoying. That's why these fonts look immense. I'm supposed to sit further away from this display. Actually, I'm sitting too close. But also there is just too little information on this display. So big screen or small screen, not very cheap, not telling me enough for the amount of screen it takes. That's another thing. While this thing, so do I test more? Maybe I test more patterns. Test out more patterns, few more patterns. I don't want to make mobile screen too busy, but again, hey, I'm here, tell me what's new. Where do I need to know? It's not like, okay, where do I go to get new? This should be what's new. Where am I? What's new? I'm first time here. What's new? Why am I here? What's new? Why am I here? I'll try use this. And is this one? I can delete this. This doesn't work at the moment. Here I'm missing paddings and this heading. Okay, list has a padding already. Did I apply paddings to the group or yeah? So right on the group I need bottom and top padding. This I need. But not, there's no color, so the color is on the stack itself. So stack U. Save draft, preview. Any improvements? Do I need these donations and tips in categories showing like here, like this? Why did I put it as a category? Because I didn't have. It would go under uncategorized, and I want to deprecate. I want to retire uncategorized category. There's no uncategorized. Maybe general, or atedoga. That's the topic, no? Categories, the way they oh, what? I remember. Fill? No, not important. I remember because if I go into the categories list and select tag or tag cloud, where is it? Tag cloud. Where did it go? Oh, no tag. No, oh, no tags. Yes, there are tags, which is saying no tags. What? What do you mean no categories? Save draft, reload. Don't. No, I'm not playing this. I'm not playing that game. Sorry about my small percentage of dropped frames. It's my home internet is getting kind of busy. Why am I getting no categories? What's going on here? Oh yeah, because this is a list. Don't give me that. Come on, this is in context of the. Can I just have a copy of this, please? Yeah, one copy of this. Copy, thank you. Categories, paste, like that. Okay, and I show here categories. Yeah, thank you. Yes, there. Cool, nice. Thanks. Really. And show size. So I said size. Smallest size. Show post count. Yes. Outline. Okay. Default. Yeah. Outline. Yeah, outline. I like it. We are buttons. We are the buttons. Yeah. That's what we are. We are buttons. Fit, fill. And don't be shy. Why so shy? Where's this margin and padding coming from? Why? Just fit. Wrong section. 10, 9, 8, 6, 6, 6. Largest, what's the size here? 620. Okay, 20 size, not small. Oh, I know what's going on. Okay, I get it. Default, not too tiny. 12. Okay, is that it? 20, 22. Cool. We okay? But we are outline. And what else I can tell you to go and group yourself. And in your group, you in your group, go. medium, small. You go small, yes, yes, yes. Height of what? Fill, fit. Radius 8. Oh, no radius. Border, border, border. No borders. No, not today. Size, okay, no size, no. Dimensions are reset. Custom, no. Margin, no. Custom, no. Reset all. Block spacing, where is block spacing? Nothing specific, no specifics. Okay. Okay, and this group can, let's say I say group, which is you, I'm talking to you. No, I want you on the I want you on this side. Can you go left, center? Okay, that's the inner stuff. Wrap lines, don't wrap lines, left, right, off. That's the inner stuff group. Padding top, bottom, padding, block spacing, fill. What? And how come you're not the... So, is that the deal? Is that the thing? Group, stack, categories, tag, 6. And now you fit the context. 3. Anything more? 2, number of tags 2, and showing 3. That's interesting. Showing 4, 5, and then that happens. Okay. And if I outline, okay, start result. Appearance, default letter spacing, line height. And this group. I'm looking at, can I force this somehow into a can I force this thing to shrink? There's a font, there's IBM Plex Mono, inner system font, Plex Mono, Inter, default, appearance, medium, regular, default. Is that it? Default, this and that. Fit, fill, this and that. Fill, fit. Wow, fill, fit. Break line. What? MA. Line spacing, line height. It's a one font, line, default, letter spacing. No, I don't need that. I don't need unnecessary. Thank you. Line out. Where is this padding? Row, wrap, break, padding. Didn't I say you get yourself a padding, but not this padding? Stekia. Oh my, okay. Getting really playful here, which is good. Playful is good. Playful is good. Visual tools, being playful, cool, creative stuff. Nice. But nobody's laughing. I just can't reach that level of. Oh, look, now it broke a line. Now it kind of works. Okay, I've got the category. So what do you want to see? The browse. So let's say that this is somewhat useful. So how many updates do I need? Just one update? How about announcement? Can the announcement go there? No? Yeah. And this would be I want more patterns, preview more patterns, so I want to push this. Where is this? This row, is this a row? Yeah. Push this here, here. Well, maybe like this, like this. Save draft. Gimme a preview. But not the responsive mode. Feature gallery. Getting somewhere slowly. Now, even in the preview, the heading doesn't need to be full. This can be wide just for the sake, but go center. And do 3 like that, yeah. Change legs. And these are the widgets. Widgets working like this. Thank you, widgets. No author, no content, excerpt of 10 words. Oh my, look what I done. What is the structure that holds in this query loop that keeps loading, losing frames, dropping all over the place? Yeah. Load it, please. Can I see it? Reload. 4. Refresh. Stay on page, save draft, reload, get that query loop, get that query loop running. Four columns. And what's the structure that is holding them so neatly ordered? What's list view? Why can't I see the what's the binding structure here? Edit visually. Can I edit visually? Visual editor. Code editor actually. Code editor. No, it's just the function. I can't see the structure. Yeah. Where am I? This is way on the bottom. Group WP block group reference. Oh, this is the so-called footer. Pages. Is this the query? What's the structure that's holding them in a grid? What is this? A grid system? Location. What's this location on the bottom? Is that? Oh yeah, that's the location. That's that. Nasty thing. Is it possible that I might get... I'll check the mail. Did this Did this site just get... am I getting news from Google now? No news from Google? Huge discounts on AliExpress, I don't care. Did I get the... what's going on? Load? Private window? Disable tracking? Huh? F5? What's going on? Page button? Go to page button. No. Okay. Okay, no, I get it. No news from no updates. 3 hours 15 minutes in and not getting things done. What was this? Query loop? Is this query loop? Query ID per page 6 pages 0, offset 0, post type, post order descending, order by date, outer search, exclude, sticky, exclude, inherit, align, wide, layout type folder, VP block query. So there is a styling for the query block itself, grid and columns. There's the definition, but it's in the VP post template grid. Exit code editor. I've seen enough. I have seen enough. So for this thing, no image. 2 items. No post content, but and for the and outer, how about outer? Is this too busy now? For these widgets, the thing that doesn't work is these links. Latest post, does it have styling in here? Color, link, okay, there is, okay, I got you, appearance medium, okay, small, medium, large, okay, that's the large one, XL, M, small, tiny, medium, medium, but what would the link be? Hover and default. What? No definitions here. How about this? How about this? How about this? How about this? No. How about this? What's up with this? Now I see. Now I can read. Oh, there I go. Gray, pink on gray. That's just the I don't know, top of the world. If I hover, what would I select for hover? Green, go green. And semi-bold, that's like I'm bold but not bold. Background, ground of the back is what about if I say this, then you're crazy, you're crazy, man. Text, so text would be then wow, who's a designer? I'm a designer. This is just silly. Can I copy style? Is there copy styles? There's a copy styles, and here I can just say then, can I say here on the paste style? Hey, I said allow browser before the clipboard. Where is the clipboard? Since when is my clipboard blocked? When you websites, okay, when the websites, those websites. That's the exception. Exception menus, exception. Thank you. Cookies site data, manage exceptions, delete cookies site, manage data. No, cancel. This is just silly. Hey, copy styles, yes. Paste styles. Permissions. Tracking fingerprints. Where are the clipboard? Clipboard. Where is that? No. Not in this version. Save draft, but you know what? Can you just allow paste styles? Yeah, I'm lazy to manually redo the styling. Yes, I'm that lazy. So for that reason, I'll just copy this and paste it right here. And then I'll tell you what to do. Yeah. Saving draft, preview. But this is still way off from what I'm trying to do. Wow. Be right back. Thank you. And what would happen on the mobile? So the problem here is this I need to use columns. Because this way these elements just spread around as they wish. And with using columns I can actually impose a rule of width. I can individually set the width like you do this or do that, do this, do that. Oh, maybe 3 posts, huh? How about that? Oh, okay. Now I can try another thing. Now I can try something else also. Can I style this around? Is it possible to edit styles around for this thing? Colors. Allow me, please allow me colors. No, no, I won't. No, not gonna. But here I got the color. Here I got the colors. And if I say background here, let's say, that's what happens. Okay. Say no. How about text? How about I say you're pink? I'm pink, nice. And then I say default. Oh no, no outline. So outline or no outline? Yeah, that's how we're gonna. That's how that's gonna work. Yeah? And if I say text link background. Are you crazy? If I say this and then say you crazy? And say in the row, I tell you, are you crazy? How about that? Or maybe margin. No. Nice. Okay, I dig. Yeah. Top. Are there any more elements that can get the width?
1
When did this happen, huh? How are you doing over there on Kick? Nobody's saying anything. How did you get here? Was there a host raid? That's unusual, just because usually I don't get attention, but thanks for stopping by. If you're still there, if that's accurate, what's showing on the Kiko. Well, it's not that I'm lazy or maybe a bad host, so I'm not giving you verbally insight what's going on, but that's why I put up show notes around. So hopefully it gives you enough info to help you figure out what's going on here. But it's obvious, isn't it? Isn't it obvious? Isn't it obvious? But what's obviously missing here are graphics. There are two things I can do, because at the moment I don't want to invent more of anything, more of whatever, new stuff, new graphics. Not at that at the moment, but there's something that can be used for that purpose. There's one thing I could do. I could just put in this row, just for the gimmicks, background image, and use from media library something like a try this thing. Why maybe what? Try be original, eh? Like this, yeah. Something like this. Eh? Oh no, maybe better. No. Image properties. Background image. Open library. Yeah. I take just this. Yeah, I want that. And that will appear. Wow, nowhere. He's nowhere to be found. Nowhere to be found. But that's not the thing. That's useless. Too big of real estate to put one image. That's why I can try do that here. Can I try do that here? Still, what? Oh. No, just doesn't work well. That should be dark, and there are no options for the image, background image, no options. Reset. And this group, and this group. You can have rounded corners. Like that. Can I have rounded corners here, please? Can I have corners rounded 2, please? 6. How much? 6. Wow. I'm just killing it after 3 hours, 3.5 hours. Blood on my hands. Blood up to my waist. No, don't do that. Maybe this, maybe if you'd like, maybe you can have that, huh? Save draft and preview. What would happen, and on mobile then this happened. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Yeah, but no, but yeah, yeah, but no. But yeah, 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 no. No, no, no. But yes. Yes. I don't know. Who designed this theme originally? Where is A? Where is the region separation? Okay, follow the line breaks. Okay, I got it. But hey, why no portlets? Why? Now this is forcing maxing what I can do with the good old WordPress widgets. This is a widget, original WordPress core widget. This is how much I can style it around. But I can do better. If I jump and grab by the jugular this bottom query loop and try and reinvent this wheel. And I say here, okay, I say four columns, four columns, big screen, 4 columns. I've got plenty of, there's plenty of room on my desk, top of my desk. And, but if I go in my living room with a tablet, then this happens. So if I go on the toilet, leave, somebody borrows my tablet, then looks better than the tablet in living room. So how to get this looking better? First, this query loop full width doesn't work. No big of a deal. Wow. 4. Wait. 4. Only 4. No. Only 4. Yes. Cool. What else? Okay, you're a group. Okay. You're in a group. Excerpt. Just if you're an excerpt, then stop talking. You're an excerpt. Stop talking. Show link on new line. Yes. Okay. So read more. Read more. Title. Head. This is heading 2. No, you're heading 3. Heading 4. Maybe heading 5. What? What did you just do? What did you just what? Huh? Who designed these headings? Heading 6. Wide, no. 2 p. medium. Is this the trick? So heading 4, heading 5. Is that what's going on? But I'll remove my custom font. Didn't I reset? Please reset. Okay, it's reset. Sounds good. So this title was title 2. Yeah. What are you doing? Okay, I get it. Too busy. I put too many columns, 3 columns. Is this it? Is this how it's gonna be? Okay. Is this it? A mobile? Sus. What I want to do is use a query loop to grab the data and use the style like on the widgets on top I have. But these titles are insane in the membrane. Who's insane? Got no brain. Got no brain. Who's insane? And why can it be maybe? Does it have to be really heading? Can it be text like plain text heading? So in this case, in case of this and in case of desktop, I would get this. Why are you like acting like I'll stay over here, all the way here. Why no stick to with the group, huh? Can you jump on top? Can you jump on the top? Just so it's easier to find my way around. Bottom, top. Read more. Styling. I want styling for read more. Okay, excerpt words. Link a new line. Same line. Read more. Makes some more sense. Medium. Small. Too small. Small. What are the okay, it has a background image. Cool, I got it. Post template, query loop, post template. Am I losing track? What I want to do? Am I still on track? What I'm doing? What am I doing? Look at these pink, gray, and third color. what row? Center? Center? How about this? Let's say you center. You center. What would happen then? Wow. Almost like a thing, almost like a thing. Looks like a thing, just like that. Each of these silly things has its own disadvantage, like these nasty paddings margins around. Why? The link to post last modified. What? Okay, what if only shows if the post has been modified? Okay, it's been modified. Yeah. Margin, look at this margin. This margin. What? No. Margin. No margin. Did I just do that? Did I just do that? Undo. So I can clear a margin. I can clear it or change it. Margin. So what's your margin? What is your margin? You think it's 0, but no. How about maybe no margin? Doesn't work. Who's got the margin? Do you have a margin? Left top. You got top margin? Show me. Top. Look, no margin. Oh, margin 1. Maybe less, maybe more. Well, but this is a more efficient modified date. Like this, more efficient, huh? Now this is getting interesting. I don't know, should I wait till spring and use my beard and face and the neck hairs for a winter sweater, winter jumper? Any suggestions, any ideas? Nearing the 4th hour of the stream, and I might just at that point to close this session. I'm having enough and getting hungry, and I want to rest. I don't want to strain. As I overstrain myself, then it takes me longer to zone in next time. And the being tired, having difficulty sleeping, falling asleep, it just gets my depression to surface up. Even that I don't consider myself a depressive guy. I don't consider myself suffering depression, but my boot up, start up, zone in, getting in the work zone, workflow of mindset takes longer. That's the depression. And you just cannot focus on task at hand, but it's actually telling you like, hey, get healthy, rest, food, energy, and constantly telling yourself, I need to work, I need to work, no, no, no. That's depression. That's the internal argument. All physical body internal signals are, we are not well, we are not well. But no, I have a higher goals. That's the science of depression. That's the pathological analysis over there. What's inside the internals of it. Where do I want to take this? How far do I want to take this now? How far do I want to take this right now, right here? Because this is just a draft up blueprint for this new landing home page. It looks kind of neatish. And if I preview it, preview, should I make it on the tablet or mobile busier? So that it should have just landing text, like home page, like a page title, and then these would go, and then so do I make them like this, portlet style, or maybe like real look like act as a like formal institutional style. Look at my texts. No, I'm that type. I'm not building that type of entity, but it looks far better than those immense, super huge heading, second level headings, H2s. Those H2s are just like, how did this get here? How did that get here? Where is the machinery to build it? How could those people have built it? They didn't have the technology. You dig? You dig? Well, I might just not, or yes, you know, what I need to figure out. How many stuffs can I fit in a row on a widescreen and have it work well on mobile? The deal is that I want to make a custom, like I'm saying repeating constantly, custom landing page, a fixed static page, and disconnect the currently active WordPress function that is actually using a blog feed, post feed as a default home page, as a default for a home page. That's the internal functionality of WordPress, but it allows to actually set the landing home page to be a static page, and inside I can put content whichever I want. And then for the blog feed I can create a similar page that would just use the default blog home post feed layout, rendering data of posts, just for the period. Is this far more better than this? This is my homepage. Look at this. Who designed these? Do I need to suffer? Do I need to make my life miserable